Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video, and today again I have a haul video because I recently got like a bunch of things which I actually wanted since forever, but it was like releasing late on Beauty Bay and it was getting out of stock. So I have just a bunch of things from Beauty Bay, and from Lifestyle Gulf I got a bunch of Essence products because there were like a lot of new releases on Essence, and Essence like a good, really affordable brand. So I want to try and test new things because I almost got like a full face that I could try. I have like two small boxes, so I'll quickly show you all the products. And if you are new here to my channel, my name is Sharmeen. I do makeup related videos, tutorials, reviews, hauls. So if you are interested, please do subscribe and give a thumbs up at the end of the video. If you are interested, please do subscribe because it really helps me a lot. And I do like reviews and really long videos, so if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and let's get into the video. So I think firstly I'll start with Beauty Bay because I don't really have a lot of things, just a few things, because I wanted the Maybelline mascara since I think forever, but it was kind of getting out of stock. Here in UAE you still can't find that. I'm not sure in store, but online you still can't find it. But and I think if you can't find it online, it is literally like not available. So I'm not sure where it is going to be available. Finally got my hands on the Maybelline Sky High mascara, Lash Sensational Sky High mascara, and this is in the shade Very Black. I'm not sure whether this is waterproof or not, but I got this for, why there is no like price, let me just see the price. I'm honestly not sure of the price because it shows in like dirhams and I want to like tell you the price in dollars. So I'll put the price on the screen so you have an idea. So this is like the wand and it gives you like amazing length, so I'm really excited about that. And we will be trying this mascara in a new video coming up soon, so I'm really excited about that. I got like a bunch of things, and I got like the TikTok hyped up product also. So we have the NYX Cosmetics lipsticks. I mean, this is like really hyped up. So we actually have the NYX Cosmetics Shine Hold Born to Hustle screen. So I have two shades, so I got like these two shades. One I got like a nude color and one I got like a beautiful pink shade. So one side you have, so this is like the liquid lipstick, and you have the, can you please focus, and you have the applicator similar to the Maybelline liquid lipstick, and the shade is really pretty. So and the other side you have like a clear lip gloss. And when you like put it on your matte lipstick, it will like stay shiny and it will not transfer. So I'm not sure, I think I should like, I mean I want to like put videos on TikTok, but I'm really not sure about that because it seems like it is like, I mean people like just sitting there to judge you for no reason. And I mean I just don't care, but I really don't feel like putting videos there, but I might just do, but I'll do like close-up videos. I'm not sure about that because Instagram algorithm is like so bad. Even if you post like really good amazing thing, you still like won't grow because it just doesn't let you grow. It doesn't let you your content on the explore page. So I have to like get onto other platforms to grow. I'm really being honest about this. I'm really sorry, I'm just like struggling with opening the packaging. Then from NYX again I got like these two lip liners, and these are like really affordable. So these are the lip pencils, and I got like two shades, nude pink and natural. They look very similar. I mean honestly they look like very similar to each other, but I wanted to try and I prefer to use these two shades. So these two are the shades, really nice, not very creamy, not very dry, really good lip pencil. So I got these. Then I got more stuffs from Milani because they like are releasing so many things, and there was like a really good amazing palette which had like blushes and highlighters. But now that Milani is available in UAE, the things that are not available here, you can't order that from Beauty Bay. I don't know why it is so, but It was amazing. There were like three things which I wanted to order. If the product is not available and will not be available here, you can't like buy it from Beauty Bay, so I'm not sure about that. So now going on to the next thing, which is the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint, and I got the shade light to medium. I think they had like just few shades. And this is like ultra luminous skin tint, sheer to light coverage, melts into skin for a naturally dewy glow. So I got this, really amazing, because I love like dewy light coverage tints, so I'm really excited about this. Then I got like the cream blushes, and these products, I mean these products which I'm showing you now are available on Lifestyle and Centerpoint, and I think even in Debenhams. I think they are available in 4 or 5 shades. And I got these two. I got these Cheek Kiss cream blushes, and I got the shade 120 Coral Crush, which is like a nice corally pretty color. And then you have like the other shade, which is 130 Blushing Berry. This is the shade, and there was one which was like more of a brownie nude color, but not interested in that, so didn't get that. Then lastly I got these two lipsticks. So these are the Milani color Fetish lipsticks, and I got 2 shades, and these are available in a bunch of shades, and this is also like very similar to like shiny lipsticks, and I got these 2 shades. The packaging is very pretty and color coded. So firstly I got the shade 140 Crave. So this is the shade 140 Crave. Wow, that is so pretty, and it is very soft, so be careful of that. Then next I got the shade 130 Lingerie. Really pretty. It will give you a nice tint. You'll have like a shiny lip, so that's really pretty. So these are all the things which I got from Beauty Bay. Now going on to Centerpoint, I got like a bunch of things, so I'll quickly show you. They have like wrapped up all the things. So I got like a bunch of things from Essence because I wanted to do like a full face. So firstly I have 2 things I think from Nyx, or just one thing. Okay, I have like 2 things. No, I just have like one thing, because the thing that I wanted from Nyx was like not available. So this is the Swift and Swatch Brow Tint pen, and you have like micro brush tip for hair strokes, for hair like strokes, and I got the shade Ash Brown. So, and I got the delivery I think the next day. I placed my order like at night, and the next day I got the delivery from Centerpoint. So this is the pen, and you have like, you can do like hair like strokes. I mean you have to be like, you have to use it very lightly, otherwise you'll have like thick hair strokes. So I'm really excited to try that. And I wanted to even get the brow gel from Nyx, which is like a super glue, but that was like not available. I maybe on weekend if I go to Centerpoint I might see whether it is available or not. Now I have like a bunch of things from Essence, so let's quickly go into that. So firstly they have like a different section for Hello Good Stuff as well. So this is the Hello Good Stuff face primer with caring hemp seed oil, and I got everything from Centerpoint. It is also available on Noon, but I got everything from just one place, and these are like affordable. Not even one thing like exceeds 30 dirhams, so that is amazing. So no silicones and parabens. So bye bad stuff. Hello Good Stuff primer with natural hemp oil and natural ingredients. The packaging is pretty good. Can you please focus? So this is the packaging. Oh my god. Then we have the foundation as well. So this is the pretty fresh, pretty natural hydrating foundation with hyaluron plus aloe vera, 24 hours long lasting hydration. And I got the shade 050 champagne, neutral champagne, because I think like only 5 shades were like available, and they have like almost like 20 shades. So it has like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, 24 hours fresh long wear finish, lasting moisturization, natural coverage finish, weightless skin feel vegan. So I got this. I hope the color matches. Okay, packaging is pretty like simple and nice. Never tried Essence foundation, so I am excited to try a bunch of things from Essence. So then I got like a bronzer from the Hello Good Stuff line again. So this is 99% natural ingredients. That was 98, this is 99. So this is a matte glow bronzer Nourishing with Cocoa, and there's like just 2 shades, and I got the shade Cocoa Cool. I mean, it smells like cocoa, but I mean, it's like good enough. But this is the bronzer. Pretty good shade. You have like lighter shade and deeper shade, so you can mix it up. I think this is like a glowy one. There's like one more shade which is more of a warm shade, but I prefer like a neutral shade, so we actually have this. Then I got the Essence Spice It Up Baked Multi Color Highlighter, and this is just, I think, in one shade, or like just one shade is available. More is more. Essence highlighters are really amazing, so I hope this is also pretty good. So these are the 4 shades. You can mix it up or you can use according to your skin tone, so I'm excited about that. Really good packaging also. I really can't complain about the packaging because it is so inexpensive. Then we have the highlighter. They have like bunch of shades, but I'm not sure whether this will actually suit me. Doesn't look like glowy or anything, but I got the shade 20 Hypnotic Silky Smooth Powder Highlighter to illuminate your complexion and buildable texture that lasts all day. Pretty small highlight as compared to this one. Then I got like 2 more blushes. The packaging is very similar to the older one, but I think these are like small or the same, I'm not sure. But these are the blush, the highlighter. So I got 2 shades, 10 Beef Fitting and the shade 40 Beloved. So this is like a silky smooth powder blush to awaken your complexion and buildable texture that lasts all day. So I got like 2 shades. So I got these 2 shades. One is like a very light pink color, and then the other one's like a berry tone mauvey color. So really excited about these blushes. Essence has like amazing blushes. Then I got like a concealer, and even this was like available in just 2 shades. I'm pretty sure it will be available in more shades in store. Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer and Waterproof Tattoo Covering, and I got the shade 20 Light Ivory. I hope this is not like too light that it gives me like a grayish cast. Ultra Covering Liquid Concealer with matte finish, covers instantly dark circle, blemishes and tattoos, long lasting and waterproof. Really excited about this. Then I got like a mascara. They have like new mascaras, but I got this one, and Essence has like amazing mascaras. Trust me, they are very affordable. They're just for like 15 dirhams, but I think this was like for 20 dirhams. So this is the Essence 24-hour Bold Volume Mascara, and it has like rice wax, hemp seed, jojoba and almond oil, as well as vitamin E. Let's see, I hope it is like good enough. Then I got like a bunch of brow thingies also, because Essence Make Me Brow Gel is my all-time favorite brow gel mascara. So firstly we have the Essence Tiny Tip Precise Brow Pen, and it is semi-permanent, so it is like the NYX one, but this is from Essence. And I got the shade is like not written. Color might be like too warm for me. Even similar in this, you have to be like very light on your hand so that you can give like hair strokes. Really amazing and really excited about that, and the packaging is also pretty good. Then again I have a different thing from Essence. So this is the Essence Brow Pomade Plus Brush, long lasting, smudge proof, waterproof, and this is in the shade Cool Brown. So this is waterproof pomade with brush to fill in and define eyebrows, creamy texture, sets for long lasting smudge proof brow. So you have like a brush on one side, and I think the pomade is on the other side. Okay, so you have the pomade on the other side. You have to dip in and use it, but I am not sure. I mean this entire thing has like nothing. Let's see, but we'll try this out. I mean these were like really inexpensive, that is why I got like a bunch of things. Then lastly I got like 2 lip liners, and I got 2 shades, obviously again pink and brown nude. So these are the Soft and Precise Lip Pencil, and I got the shade 03 and 02. So these 2 are the shades. Oh my god, the shades are so similar to the NYX one. So these are from Essence and these are from NYX. Really amazing, and really excited to try everything from Essence, NYX, from all the things that I got. So I'm really excited about everything. So yeah guys, this was actually all for today's haul. I'm not sure whether this haul will be up, and honestly I'm really sorry. I have just like a bunch of things from Sephora. I'm quickly gonna show you that, because I had ordered like 2 things. I think 2 things or more, just 2 things, so I'll quickly show you that. So firstly I got the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer, and it has SPF 25, and I got the shade light medium. So perfects, protects, hydrates, and healthy glow, dewy finish, packed with skin loving ingredients, SPF 25. So I got this one from Sephora, and this is the packaging. So review on this will be coming up soon, so I'm really interested and excited to try this. And finally I got the Urban Decay Stay Naked Hyaluronic Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator, medium coverage, up to 24 hours wear, kombucha filtrate and maracuja oil, and I got the shade 41 light medium. So it will last up to 24 hours and it will have a glowy finish, dewy juicy finish, healthy looking skin glow, 24 hours wear, weightless, medium coverage, vegan formula, and has marula and kombucha filtrate. The packaging is so pretty and I was waiting for this forever. So this is the packaging. So yeah, the color is pretty good, a little bit warm but pretty good. So I got this one. So we actually have that, and with the Smashbox one I got like a brush free. I mean, these are like expensive. I got it free, and this is like a stippling brush from Smashbox. So I'm really happy that I got this. So with that, now we are actually done with the haul video. I hope you like it. I'm not sure whether the haul video will be up before any review, but it's totally fine. I think the Urban Decay tinted moisturizer review will be up before the haul. Anyways, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please give a thumbs up because even that helps me a lot. So I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.